Good morning, everyone. I'm Jessie Joseph. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second video in my series English Grammar Fundamentals. In the first video, we learned about sentences and four kinds of sentences. If you haven't watched it already, please check out the link in the description box. Today, we will be learning about parts of speech. As you know that every word is a part of speech, and these words are used together to communicate ideas. Now, let us define parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence. The parts of speech are eight in number: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let us define each one by one. A noun is a naming word. It is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. For example, Akbar was a great king. The rose smells sweet. The sun shines brightly. His courage won him honor. All these highlighted words are your naming words or noun. Now, adjective is a describing word in a sentence. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. My sister is a strong girl. My dog has blue eyes and fluffy skin. Here, the word brave, 20, this, strong, blue, fluffy, all these words are adjective because they describe a noun in the sentence. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, John is absent because he is ill. Here, John is a noun and it is being substituted by the word he. So he is a pronoun. The books are where you left them. Sita has many chocolates in her pocket. The word he, them, and her are pronouns in these sentences. Verb. A verb word used to express an action, event, or state. For example, iron and copper are useful metals. Here are is a helping verb. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Anthony is throwing the football. We live in Texas. Words wrote, throwing, live, and are action words, and we call them as verb. An adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, she never tells a lie. The children love to play outside. The movie is starting now. He worked the sum quickly. She never tells a lie. So, what is the verb here? Here, the verb is tells. And never is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something. For example, there is a cow in the garden. Here the word cow and garden both are nouns, but they are positioned by the word preposition. What is that word? In is the preposition in this sentence. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. He sat on the chair. In these sentences, we had already highlighted the preposition words. Now, in a nutshell, what is preposition? Preposition positions the noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, Ram and Hari are cousins. Two and two make four. I ran fast but missed the train. We can meet you wherever you want. I stayed at my office due to the rain. So these words and, but, wherever, due to all are conjunctions because they join either two words or two sentences. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses a strong feeling, emotion, or excitement. In these sentences, yes, you are right. Look at this sentence carefully. Here, the word yes is ending with an exclamation mark. It shows some sudden feelings of your mind. Alas, she's dead. No, I can't do that. Good. Now we can start a new beginning. Congratulations, you have a baby girl. So, all these sentences, all these words show some sudden feelings of your mind. Determiners. Some modern grammars include determiners among the parts of speech. Determiners are words like a and the. This, that, these, those, every, each, some, my, any, his, one, two, etc., which determine or limit the meaning of the nouns that follow. In many traditional grammars, all determiners except a, and the are classed among determiners. Look at this example. Great, he and my little Rani ran to the park quickly. Great is interjection, he is pronoun and is conjunction, my is determiner, little is adjective, Rani is noun, ran is verb, to is preposition, quickly is adverb here in this sentence. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button and share it with your friends. My next video will be on subject and predicate. Stay tuned.